Hey folks, Brandon here with Fields BMW, test driving the 2018 540i. I'm going to display another one of my favorite features with the Driving Assistance Plus package is the active cruise control. How to activate this feature, we're going to go ahead and engage the cruise control with this top right button on the left side of the steering column here. Press that. That lets me know that my cruise control is now engaged. So now at this point, when I set my speed, I have it set to 50 miles per hour. It gives me these bars right here. This is letting me know that the active cruise control is engaged. Now from here, I can adjust the distance between the car in front of me, even though there's no car in front of me at the moment. You would actually be able to set the distance between the car in front of you. And if a car pulled out in front of you, while using this feature, the vehicle would automatically back off, set itself to the speed that you have set, and continue on your drive. One of my favorite things to do while using this feature is have my active lane assist on at the same time. I feel like the car is driving itself and I can go about my drive worry-free. So why don't you come on down today to test out the BMW 2018 540i and come see these features for yourself.